Hello everyone, this is Bethel graphic once again on your screen. I welcome you to another session of video tutorial on how to mask images into shapes or how to insert various images into different shapes. In today's video, I will be teaching you step by step, or the various steps, not just one step, up to 3 steps on how images can be inserted or masked into shapes easily on Pixellab. So we will delete this as we delve into today's work. Okay, now we are going to maintain this white default background color. So the first step is to create a shape, then come to your radius and transform it into a circular shape, then go to color and make use of this color, this maroon color, then copy it, delete the former one. Okay, make sure it is centralized. We need to centralize it. It's centralized. Then after which you lock it. Okay, and the next step is to import the picture or the image we'll be making use of. So we are making use of the image of this guy right here. Okay, you can just enlarge it a little bit. Then copy it, delete it, to centralize it. And just position it a little bit. Okay, and also lock it. Now the next step is to, please pay attention. I want to show you a trick how to merge an image into shape easily without undergoing any difficulty. Now the next step is to change the background color to transparent. You come to transparent here, then you hide the circle, then you save the image as ultra. Then after which you hide the image, then bring in the circle and save the circle to gallery again. Please pay close attention. Okay, good. Now having done that, you change the background color to the former color, which was white. Then you hide a circle. Now what you do next is that you would bring in the circle that was saved to gallery. You bring it. Now you don't need to make any adjustment, just leave it the way it has appeared and press the check mark. You come to this side. This is the icon for shape. Come to this side, then come to relative size, increase it to the highest. Then click your check mark. Now what you do next is to bring in the image that was hidden earlier on. You bring it out, then come to front, place to front. Then what you do next is to bring in the other image we saved to our gallery as texture. Now since you are working with this shape, you just click on this shape here. Now you bring in the image as texture. You click on your texture, and this image, then you click your check mark. Now the next thing you would do is to go to your mouse tool, click on activate it, then you can see here's cut out a little bit. You can just bring your mouse tool, tap it, then bring it this way to erase a little bit, to erase the cutout. Then click your check mark, and you can see your image has been inserted. Then you can come here and merge everything. And you can see your image has been fully inserted. Then you can come here and save to gallery. Save. Then let me show you a second step. Now apart from this first step, this is the second step. Still using the same image, this place rather. Then you still create a circle. Then still maintain the previous color. Enlarge it a little bit. Please pay close attention. This is the second step on how to insert images into shapes. Then copy it, delete this one. Okay, centralize it. After centralizing it, then you can do it to lock it. Then we would bring in the picture, our picture we have been using since this design started. Then okay, this is the image. Centralize it, increase it, then copy it, delete the former one. Okay, after which you would duplicate the circle, then centralize as well, and just bring it up. Centralized, and create a shape.
Purchase your tracks today.
Then centralize the shape also, and change the color of the shape to let's use blue. Then come to this side, bring it in between the two circles. Then after having done that, you merge the circle and the shape, the second circle and the shape, and the rectangular shape. Okay, then you move to erase color. Pick the pencil, come to this side, and erase it. Can you see this? Then click your check mark. Then having done that, you come here again, then merge everything together. Unlock it, merge everything together. After that, then come to erase color again. Then you erase the last color, blue. You can reduce your tolerance to it. And see our shape, our image has been merged in the shape. So this is the second method. You can see the image has been merged into the shape. Can you see this? Okay, let's dive into the third method. Then you can do it to delete this, or you can just save it. Let's save it. Okay, let's go into the third method. Now this is the third method. You can just create a shape, then add color to it. Okay, let's make it this color, then lock it, then create a circle depending on what you want. Okay, increase it a little bit, then centralize it. Okay, let's give the circle a color. Let's give it a blue color. Can we make it blue? Okay, then we'll be merging this background, with the blue color. That is, the blue color will merge with this background, this maroon color background. Okay, then we'll merge it. Okay, after making it, we'll import the image we are making use of. Okay, now let's make it on that image. Still same image but different posture. Okay, let's make use of this. Okay, and expand a little bit. Copy. Okay, make sure you centralize. Then after which you go to your mask. activate it, then click the check mark. Or before doing that, just import the image first. It's already imported. Then since the maroon background and the blue circle have been made together, so the next thing is to go to your erase color. Then pick the picker, then place it on the blue circular color. On the blue circle color, then you erase it. As see, it's erased. Click your check mark. Then, or this white is displaying is the color of the background, and the blue color has been erased. Then you bring the image, increase it a little bit. Then okay, should be at the center. Then go to your mask, activate it, click the check sign, then go to, you copy it, go back to your mask tool again, then click out. There you copy it, then click your check mark, position it, make sure it's well positioned. After which it's well positioned, after which you take it behind the circle. Now you can see his leg is behind the circle. His leg is completely behind the circle. Then from there you can merge, and that's all. You can see it's completely what merged. You can see. So this brings us to the end of today's class. If at all at the end of today's class you find value, knowledge, and this video was well impactful, you can do it to like, share, comment, and subscribe, as more videos will hit you immediately we drop it. Thank you very much. Remain relevant and stay productive.